Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you all? I hope that you are fine with the grace of Almighty Allah. Alhamdulillah, I'm also fine. Welcome to an IEVS Home School. This is Mr. Robiul Islam, Assistant Teacher of Islamic Studies of National Ideal University School, morning shift. Today I'm going to take an Islamic Studies class for class 1, and our today's topic is TF, that means true or false, from 8 to 14, and today is our lecture number 5 and SW number 5. My dear students, inshallah today we will learn true or false from 8 to 14. So my dear students, let's start. At first look at the board. My dear students, here I have written 7 true or false. Now we will learn all of these true or false. So my dear students, let's start. Number 8 is, my dear students, you know that in our previous class we have learned from true or false from 1 to 7, and today we will learn from 8 to 14. Okay, let's start. Number 8, cleanliness is a part of Iman. What will be the answer? Yes, my dear students, you know that cleanliness is a part of Iman. In this regard, it will be true. So our answer will be true. So answer is true. Now number 9, we should respect our neighbors. What will be the answer? Yes, our answer will be true, because we should respect our neighbors. In this regard, answer will be true. Now number 10, cleanliness keeps us safe from many diseases. Cleanliness keeps us safe from many diseases. What will be the answer, my dear students? Yes, answer will be true, because you know that cleanliness keeps us safe from many diseases. In this regard, it will be true. Now, my dear students, number 11, to speak the truth is a great virtue. To speak the truth is a great virtue. What will be the answer? Answer will be yes, true, because you know that to speak the truth is a great virtue. In this regard, the answer will be true. Now, number 12, we should not respect our teachers. We should not respect our teachers. What will be the answer? Yes, our answer will be false, because you know that we should respect our teachers. But here is written we should not. In this regard, the answer will be false. Now, number 13, my dear students, nobody likes a liar. Yes, answer will be true, because nobody likes a liar. Everybody likes who always speak the truth. In this regard, the answer will be true. Nobody likes a liar. Answer will be true. Now, number 14, my dear students, we have to be honest. We have to be honest. What will be the answer? Yes, answer will be true, because we have to practice. We have to be honest. In this regard, the answer will be true. Okay, my dear students, that's all for today. Today we have learned true or false from 8 to 14. And my dear students, you know that today is our SW number 5. My dear student, you will make SW at your home. True or false from 8 to 12. Only 5. From 7, you will make SW only 5. From 8 to 12. 8 to 12. Okay, my dear students, that's all for today. I hope that you have understood our today's topic very clearly. My dear student, you will learn and memorize at your home this true or false very carefully. And my dear student, you submit your SW copy. You must submit your SW copy. My dear students, no more today, inshallah. See you again very soon. Till then, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.